Sige, kahit counting niya lang.
O, kahit ano po. Pandanda, awit.
Oh, this is my real story.
Ang aking
So,
Ang galing po ng mga apo nyo, promise. I-audition nyo po sila, ha?
Tomorrow?
Thank you, Mami. Thank you, Mami, ha? Mag-ingat ka po, ha?
Maraming salamat. Mga family pala ng seniors yan, mamahalan eh.
Ayan. Galing pa kayo. Iyan. Tawag ka ni Joey.
Gaga pala parang si Rupa May. Siya.
Rupa May! Ano ba Rupa May, andiyan ka pala!
Yes, nandito nga talaga ako. Sobrang saya kasi nandito si Marla.
Go! Maraming salamat! Halika na!
Thank you din, Regina.
Regina, thank you. May isa pa tayong din pagdating sa kantahan. Si Arthur Galang ng San Andres, Bukid, Manila. Arthur! Wow! So, pakilala ka muna.
my
Tapos nasabihin.
pajama.
Ako nga pala si Arthur Galang from San Andres Bukid. ODR country. Tapos pagkasabi ko ng kasabihan, diretso po uwi. May kasabihan po tayo pag may sinuksok, may madudukot.
In
Ano na?
a dream.
Kasabihan ko, ha? Ang lalim ng boses niya. Joke, sino sa palagay mo?
Si Pastorero.
Sobrang lalim naman
In her dreams.
Oo.
Johnny Depp.
Wow! Pag ilang Josh Turner ito, pag nagkataon. Bulatin mo na lang kami, ha, Arthur.
Ito na po, wala ka. Flowers endless before as we gone and to marry on life deserves simply cool in the warmth of the sun when I give my heart. All I never give my heart. when I fall in love with you.
Nat King Cole! Sino?
If you enjoy the video, like and subscribe.
Okay ah.
We decided
Kailan mo
to
na
pack
realize na kaya mo
everything.
gayahin si Nat King Cole?
Matagal na.
Matagal na. Like, gaano na katagal?
Talagang paborito ko si Nat King Cole.
Paborito mo si Nat King Cole.
Ikaw, Mamara?
Si Nat King Cole. Happy. Ano ba mga kanta ni Nat King Cole ang pwede mong awitin? Tingnan natin. Kung may mag-request ng Nat King Cole. Meron daw! Mukhang kabaliktayan, Ian.
Nakakagulat naman.
Nagulat ka ba?
Oo. Hi, madam. Kayong executive.
Yes.
Ano yung pangalan nila?
Grace.
Grace.
Taga saan sila?
Saan po kayo?
Sa Dubai.
Dubai. Oh my God. Dubai.
What can you say about Dubai?
Dubai! A wonderful place. Madam, what song would you like to hear from Nat King Cole?
Dahil birthday ko, gusto ko sana mag-request ng Unforgettable.
Wow! Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday, madam. Happy birthday to you. I hope, I wish you all the best. Nothing but the best. By Adele.
Tandaan yun.
Tandaan niya muna ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Taray naman, si Nat King Cole kumanta ng happy birthday.
Ako, isa na request ko.
Ano?
Singaw mo nga taho. Taho.
Taho.
Nating ko,
Taho.
Aki? Aki?
Very happy.
Yung request ng my birthday, unforgettable. Pedro? Pedro pa po.
Unforgettable. That's what you are. Unforgettable in every way. Like the songs of love that plays to me. I told you that seems to me never before. Had someone before. Unforgettable in every way. And forevermore, that's how you say. That's why it's honest, it's incredible that someone so unforgettable things I am.
Nagustuhan ba niya ang birthday gift? Si Arthur sa kanya.
Nagustuhan mo, ma?
Oo.
Tuwa ka, no?
Ang tawa ako, salamat.
Saya-saya ng birthday mo, ma.
Sino kasama nga pala niya?
Siya lang mag-isa. Buong family, Ma'am Ala.
Welcome.
Nag-birthday daw yung mami niya, ng 80th birthday si Mami.
Oh, happy birthday din, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mami.
I will kill you.
Ayan. Thank you po.
May isa pa yata request ang audience, no?
Ay, meron pa, Ma'am Alan.
Dito naman daw.
So cute.
Ayun na yung tataas ng kamay lalaki.
Nakakagulat sila, Ma'am Alan. Madami na sila. Hi! Hello po, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Ako si Archie.
Uy, miss ka na ni Daddy. Archie. Taga saan po si Sir Archie?
Taga Miami, Florida.
Miami,
Wow.
Florida.
Miami na.
Who's with you?
Wow, paano ulit was with you?
Who's with you? Oh, your friends. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I mean,
What?
when did you arrive
Okay,
from?
diretso mo yung English.
When did you arrive from Florida?
Last week.
And what do you do back then?
I'm a flight crew.
What?
I'm a flight crew.
It's like girl. Oh, that's so amazing. So,
So,
would you like to request?
like first part.
Absolutely.